This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new adware that is called OperativeService. OperativeService is a special adware type application that attacks Mac computers only. By the way, this adware is from the adload family. The adware, once installed, starts displaying the tremendous amount of intrusive ads not related to the sites that you visit. And this adware may also periodically redirect you to many shady and truly deceptive pages in the internet. This adware specifically targets a Safari browser, even though other browsers may also be attacked. If you have found these ads by OperativeService application, check your Finder, check your applications, right-click on this program and move it to the trash. Of course, if you identify any other suspicious applications, don't hesitate to remove them. I would also strongly advise that you additionally research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start researching your system in order to detect and delete other threats which could possibly remain on your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.